Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your username on Instagram. Whether you are looking for something fresh or want to match it with your brand, let's dive right in. First, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can see the profile icon, tap on it. Now, click on to the edit profile option. Here you can find the option username. Simply tap on it. Here is the old username of your Instagram. Now simply delete it and add the new username that you want to add. Remember, Instagram usernames must be unique, so if someone else already has it, you will need to try something different. Once you have got your username, tap done in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Instagram username. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.